Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, The Crumbs in the Philippines. It's another lovely day in Lipa City, Batangas. Nice and sunny, beautiful blue skies. Jen and I, we've been trying to stay a little bit busy. We've found several homes to feature here on the channel, and we're going to head out today and take a gander at two homes over in Camellia Estates. One is managed by Kevin at JKLM Properties, and another is just a private owner looking to sell their house. But the next two videos that you see will feature those two homes. And as always, guys, we'll include the prices in the description box, and also you'll see it during the video in text boxes. But anyway, that's what we're going to do today, guys. Come join us. We'll see you on the other side.
Ready? Let's go! Shoots open, one of you!
Scrolling on sleepy Sunday. Need a laugh, need a little light. Then I see that logo shining. Philippines vibe, yeah, it feels so right. Hit play.
Look at them!
I see them. I'm filming.
So playful!
Perfect shot.
Subscribe to Crumbs in the Philippines. Click that bell.
Hey everyone, welcome to Boracay! Look at these turquoise waves! And that sunset sky is just magical.
Join the crew, be part of the fam. Subscribe to Crumbs in the Philippines. Every post like a
This beach sunset clip is beautiful.
Yeah, the colors are perfect.
Our best adventure yet.
Totally.
Hey guys, here we are in Camellia Estates. Another one of the properties managed by Kevin at JKLM Property Management. Here's the contact information should anybody need it. Kevin's a wonderful person to rent from. I've mentioned it almost in every video that I've ever done of his things, but the amount of customer service is legendary. This house that we're going to look at it'll be fully furnished and ready to move in. But he doesn't have a sofa or any chairs in the living room right now. So if you had a special request, like you wanted a sofa bed, a certain type of sofa chair arrangement, whenever you contact Kevin, you could let him know that, and he could have this place ready for you, made to the way that you want it. But let's go inside and take a look at this place. It's really cool. It's got a really nice gate on the front in your parking area. Probably you'd have to park on the curb unless you had a motorcycle with this unit. But got a nice patio area here in the front. Humongous inverter, Panasonic, for the split level air conditioning that you're going to have. You have a place to hang your clothes. You'll see the washing inside. Guys working next door really hard. People are very friendly here in Pilipinas. We love it here. Okay, as we come into the sala, you can see that this is a really, it's a good sized room here. There's your air conditioning unit right there. Stairs that lead upstairs. And like I said, you could let him know what type of furniture you wanted, and he could get it in here for you before you moved in. This is a very spacious unit. It's actually a budget priced unit. I'm going to give you the price at the end of the video. You guys stick around and check it out. You'll be very, very happy with this. It's less than $400 a month for this place. Very tastefully decorated. First room that we come to on the right. Let's take a look at those shelving and stuff first. Really nice, big TV. It's already connected to Wi-Fi. First room we come into is the bathroom, the downstairs bathroom. You have nice fixtures. Everything is, as always, spotless. Smells good. No indication of any problems anywhere inside. Nice water heater, matching Panasonic unit there. Hey, as we come out of the bathroom and move our way around to the right, there's a sliding door. I really love that track up there. Has a really smooth action to it. And it's your laundry area. You have a washing machine, shelving to put your detergent and things. No issues whatsoever in this room. Very clean. It's ready to go. I love that door. And I always appreciate Kevin's taste in artwork. I really enjoy looking at the paintings in all of his units. They're always different. And they're tasteful. And here we come into the kitchen. Lots of clean storage. But as is the case with all of Kevin's places, you're ready to go. You have dishes, silverware, pots and pans, cutlery, cups, glasses, and a lot of additional space to put your own stuff in there. Pots and pans, more cookware. Really nice sink here. Rice cooker, hot water. And the underneath of this place is spotless. I mean, look how clean that is. And it's like that all the way around. I mean, look how clean that is in there. There's your refrigerator. It looks like it's a very new model. Pretty decent size. You got a water cooler, which does hot and cold water. There's a nice little touch with the bar there, and then you walk into the dirty kitchen with another big sink. This is a big draw for a lot of folks. And then here's your cooking surface. That's heavy duty Electrolux, man. That's a heavy unit. It's already connected with the gas bottle underneath. And this door just goes back out into the patio area. All right, what is this? A nice unit, guys. Let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. I always like to check out the stairs. It looks like you got pretty nice wide. Not too steep, even for old guys. I know most of us don't like having stairs, but in some cases, it's worth it. And here we are, your first bedroom upstairs. Nice windows for creating cross breeze. You got a multitude of built-in cabinetry for storing your clothes. It's all clean. Hangers for your clothes. Window air conditioning unit, so the full house is air conditioned. Nice full-size bed with a real mattress and a real frame. Bedroom number 2. Same thing, it's a little bit smaller cabinet, but has the same amenities inside. Nice and clean, another full-size bed. Check that out, another window unit. And again, you have these windows situated in a way where you could create a nice cross breeze through the bedroom here, especially in those cooler months in Lipa that we enjoy. This is one of the reasons why we live here. Anyway, guys, there you have it. This is gonna rent out at 23,000 pesos per month. It's less than 400, but I'll do an exact conversion and put it in a box right up here as I'm doing the editing process. As always, you can send me an email, you can send Kevin an email, you can call Kevin, but I don't think this place will last very long. Camellia is a really nice community. It has a beautiful swimming pool, has a nice clubhouse. The pool here is huge. It's like almost Olympic sized. And you get all of the amenities of subdivision living, the security, the trash pickup, the landscaping. And with Kevin's houses, you get additional layers of amenities included, like personalized service, pick up a phone if you have a problem and there's someone to fix it immediately. Leaks, defects, something breaks down. It's a phone call away and you're taken care of right away. That's the type of service that you get. But as always, guys, thanks for coming along with us today. We really appreciate you all. If you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get the videos pushed out to more and more people. Because that's all we're here for, is to try to help as many people as possible make that move and get over the trepidation and the angst of making a move to a foreign country. But anyway, guys, stay happy, stay healthy. We'll see you at the next video. Take care.
Please hit the like button. Share this video with everyone. Smash that subscribe button. It's free. Kuya Stanley, thanks you.